Good morning, I'm Wynand Grobler, Director, School of Economic Sciences at Northwest University, and I would like to congratulate Chandigarh University with their remarkable performance in the QS World Rankings 2026. Our partnership with Chandigarh University has grown remarkably over the years, and we are delighted to receive the news that Chandigarh University has been ranked among the top 2% of universities worldwide, according to the QS World University Rankings of 2026. We are excited to push the boundaries of learning and research together. Moreover, Chandigarh University's impressive performance in parameters like international student diversity, their research, their global engagement reflect their global vision. And I would like to congratulate the Honorable Chancellor of Chandigarh University, the Vice Chancellor of Chandigarh University, Senior Management of Chandigarh University, and the Executive Director of International Affairs with this remarkable achievement.